Good morning children. Welcome you all in our math session. Our shapes chapter is going on and previous section we have learned polygons. Okay. Polygons means a closed plane shape made up of 3 or more line segments. It's called polygon. Yes. Yesterday I show you the figures, then sides. How many sides? If we take 3 sides, then we can make triangle as a polygon. Yes. Then quadrilateral. Children, you know quadrilateral means if a figure have 4 sides. Yes, it's called quadrilateral. Yes, means square, rectangle, rhombus, these shapes are quadrilateral shape. And today we are going to learn circle. Yes, circle is a curve shape. It's a plane shape. Okay. Now, some circle is a simple closed curve. Yes. See here and place. See, here is a center point. Okay. When we draw a circle, a circle is a curve shape in which all the points, yes, all the points on the curve, this curve, are the same distance. Okay. From a fixed point. Yes, these all the points of the circle are fixed from the center point. Yes, and it is called center. Okay, here is in this figure O is a center. Okay, children. Now, see, this O is the center of the circle. Now the distance between the center and any point on the circle is called the radius. Yes, this is the center and any point of this circle, yes, from O to D or from O to B, O to A, O to C, yes, from the center point O point this line. Yes, children, the distance between the center and any point on the circle is called radius. Yes, see, OD is a radius, OB is a radius. Okay, so we will write here radius. Yes, OA is a radius, OC is a radius. Okay, when we take all the radius OD, OC, OA, OB, yes, then we called it radii. Yes, if one is there, OB is called radius, but more than one radius we called it radii. Okay, children. Now here this OA, OB, OD, OC, these are radii. Okay, children. Now, if any 2 points on a circle are joined with a line, yes, on any point, see here, this E point, this F point, this point joined in a circle. Okay, see, these points are joined in a circle, but in this line there is no O center in between. Yes, only E and F. When we joined it, yes, it is called a chord. Yes, it is called a chord. this line. Understand, children? This E and F is a chord. A chord of a circle which passes, yes, through the center is called its diameter. See here, if this line passes in the center, yes, this chord C and D, it is passes in the center, so this line is called diameter. Yes, children. Because why we call it diameter? Because it passes in the center of the circle. Yes, see this C and D is passes through the center. Okay, so we called it diameter. So this C and D is a CD. Yes, CD is a diameter. Now, this diameter is the largest chord of a circle. Yes, children? This diameter is the largest chord of a circle. A circle can have many chords. Yes? You can make one chord from here to here, here to here, or diameter also. If we make OB and then straight down, this is also diameter. Yes, or we can call it chord. Okay, children. Now, radii and diameters. See here. You can make CD as a diameter. You can make here, if you see this B and here down, if we take any point and make a line, it is also a diameter. Yes, children. Then this one, OB, OA, OC, OD, these are radii. Okay. So, circle have many chords, many diameter and many radii. Okay. Now you know about the circle. See, OB, radius, CD, diameter, this EF, chord. Yes, and this chord is not passes through the center, so it is called chord. But diameter C and D is a chord, but it is passed through the center, so we call it diameter. Children, I hope now you know about the circle. Radius, diameter, chord, then center. Okay. Children, now we are going to learn drawing a circle. Okay. So, we can draw a circle with the help of geometrical instrument, and it is called compass. Yes, you can see this compass in your geometric box. Okay, see here in compass there is a point and here is a space. You can put here pencil. Okay, with the help of this compass we can make circle. So let's see how to draw a circle. First step, keep the metal point. Yes, this metal point, end of the compass, firmly on paper. See, you can put this metal point on compass. paper or in notebook. Okay. Then do a point here. Yes. And then with the help of this compass you can make a circle. Yes children. Yes, like this. But you have to remember that you have to put this metal point on this place only. Okay children. And with the help of this compass you can make a circle. With the help of this compass we have to draw a circle. Okay children. Here is our circle. Now I am showing you how to draw a circle on the paper. Okay. Yes. See here children. Put the point here on the paper or in notebook. Then this second point of pen. Yes. Down. And then start to make a circle. Yes, like this children you can make. See that your metal point should not be move here and there. Okay, it will be in fixed place. Yes, like this you can make or you can draw circle in the. Yes, see our circle is ready and here is a center point. Okay, so children you have to draw circle like this. Okay, now we will show the radius, diameter and chord on this circle. Okay, this is the center point. Yes, it is O. Now radius. Yes, from the center point to the another here curve shape. Yes, this is a radius. Okay children, OA. Okay, now we will draw a diameter. See here is a point P and here is a point Q, and we have to draw a diameter through the center point. Okay, if we draw the diameter, means if we draw a line through the center, it is called diameter. Yes children. Now see here another point C and D is here. If we join this point, then we will get here chord. Yes children. Yes. Now you know about the radius, diameter and chord. Children, I hope now you understood about the circle, what is point, what is chord, what is diameter and what is radius, and also how to draw a circle. Thank you.